I'm making this video in the loving memory of Charity, my sweet cat. She was wonderful. I rescued her from the trash area in Santo Domingo City in the Dominican Republic, but she rescued me from my depression, anxiety, and sadness. She was wonderful. She was my companion, support, emotional support. I love her. She did great job taking good care of my emotional feeling. She always was there, comfort me, loving me, showing me compassion and care. And I want to speak up about adoption of cats and dogs. It's very important. They are very important for the people that have mental health issues. We need loving, caring pets. They're always gonna be there for us, but we need to understand that everything in this world belongs to God and had to go back to Him. She's in heaven with Jesus and God Almighty. We need to give it the love, compassion, and attention that they give it to us. But we need to understand that when it's time to go, like my cat, I thought she was healthy, she was doing good, but she have heart issue and I didn't know it. And I feel sad. But before she passed away, I got that bag with this beautiful message. And now she give me the strength and say, enjoy today with friends. Cats and dogs, animals are my best friends. I trust them more than I trust humans because they have pure hearts. Not every human is untrustworthy, but almost the majority of people are not trustworthy. I love you, Charity, forever. Mommy love you, baby girl, and you in heaven with Jesus. But you are in my heart forever. Your mom, Lizarda Urena.